Okay, here we go. Ella at 11.5 weeks. And I'm going to play this song on this little table that I got her that makes her frown. Let's see if she does it. Okay, there's one more song that makes her pucker her lip. Let's see if she'll do it. Okay, let's play the next song and see if she does it. It's just those two songs usually. What's it? Why don't you like the music? Huh? Why don't you like the music? You are silly. Okay, let's do another one here. Let's see, this one. You just don't like the music? You like that song? You like that song? You like that one? Huh? Here. Ah, there, got it. Here, look at this toy. Beep, 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 beep. You like that? You like that toy? Alright, let's play this song again. Why do you like the music? You don't like it? Let's try this one. Alright, let's do another one. Say bye. Say bye.